Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. In this episode, we share our highlights of our trip from Bridgeton down to Wilmington, North Carolina. So we're here at the boatyard, and they're dropping the Wild Heron in the water. And on a wing and a prayer, everything's fixed and we shove off today. Okay, so Tad, how do you feel about finally getting the boat out of the water, into the water?
It's great. It's great.
It's been out of the water so long.
That's great.
Oh boy. But we got a late start today, but we are off at 1:45 and heading to Oriental for the night. Okay, so the noose is a little bit choppy now. We got some white caps out here, and we're going right into them. What do you think about that?
Seems to handle it just fine.
Yeah, sure does. That is Don't Panic, a sports fisherman heading out for the Big Rock Tournament. We are passing Bach Marine in Adams Creek. And here we are passing Jarrett Bay. So looking ahead, on the left side of that bridge is Beaufort, North Carolina, and on the right side of the bridge is Morehead City, North Carolina. And the railroad bridge is just past the Beaufort Channel Bridge. It's a beautiful day on Bogue Sound. And here we are just crossing under the Atlantic Beach Bridge. We are still in Bogue Sound. How do you think it's going?
Seems to be going well. What do you think?
I think it's going good. Boat's riding very well, and we've had good weather and a lot of boaters, but nothing horrible.
Right.
And yeah, it's been good. Pretty day.
Yeah, it is.
One day closer to getting home. There's dolphins right in front of those people on jet skis. Apparently, the jet skiers did not see the dolphin, and one of the guys ran right over this little fella here. The dolphin did pop his head back up and seem unharmed. We had a very uneventful day and made it safe and sound to Swansboro, North Carolina. Swansboro apparently has a lot of really cute little ducks roaming around. Good morning. We are up at the butt crack of dawn to get to Wilmington today and check out this sunrise. Totally unretouched. It is gorgeous. 6:30. God. Traveling south on the ICW near Browns Inlet, there is an area of shoaling. It did appear that the red 60 mark was way off mark and closer to the ocean side past the green marker. So we followed the Bob 423 track very closely and had ample water under our boat. After passing through the new Onslow Beach Bridge, we passed by Sneed's Ferry. This is a really pretty little area. What you doing there, Tad?
Getting a collection of flies. Dead flies.
So yes, we've had some big flies so far this trip. Not a lot. Hasn't been the invasion of flies, but
No.
certainly a little handful. Here we are coming upon Surf City, and this is the Surf City Bridge ahead that we're going to go under. It has been beautiful out so far, and given that it's a Saturday, we haven't had too much boat traffic. But as we get closer to noon, we start to see the boat ramps getting really full and a lot of boats coming out. So Tad, we've now realized timing is everything, right? We got to the figure 8 swing bridge just at 10:32, but we were able to sneak under it. They didn't have to open for us, but because of all the boat traffic out today, it's 5 miles to the Wrightsville Beach Bridge, and we cannot go fast, so we are not going to make the 11 o'clock opening. And we can't go slow enough.
At 10, we'd have to have done 10 mile an hour, and at 10 mile an hour, we put about a 3-foot weight out there. So
Yeah.
we wipe out floating docks and all these little boats and anybody supporting or anything like that. So we have to go slow. And because of that, we have to go really slow because now it's an hour and a half to the next opening.
Right. Timing is everything. So Tad, you want to tell us what's going on here?
Sure. I didn't know I was going to be speaking in this video. So we are just loitering here by the landfall docks. These are the Landfalls Community private docks. My sister who lives in there came down and from the dock over at the gate took pictures. We took pictures of them, and we're just loitering, waiting for a 12 opening at the Wrightsville Beach Bridge, which is still 40 minutes away. So we got like a mile to go in 40 minutes.
Check out this palm tree and flag right here in the middle of the ICW near the Wrightsville Beach Bridge. Finally, after over an hour of loitering out in the ICW, we were able to go through the Wrightsville Beach Bridge for the 12 noon opening. I stopped videotaping. Multiple small boats came charging at us. One actually almost hit us as we were under the bridge. We were already hugging the starboard side of the bridge and had no place to go but to stop our momentum and let them pass. We are just passing Carolina Beach and getting ready to enter into Snow's Cut. Just at the end of Snow's Cut, the winds were picking up and the waves were getting rough. We were finally in the Cape Fear River, almost home. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Herons. Ciao.